stage is Ganga House.
Everyone present here. We the student of Ganga House presenting a skit on corruption-free India. Let me introduce the characters. Mrs. Honest, a government officer who believes in transparency and integrity. Mr. Bribe, a corrupt government officer, always looking for shortcuts through bribery. Miss Citizen, a regular citizen who is struggling to get her work done. Mr. Politician, a politician who uses corruption for personal gain but is starting to reconsider. Scene 1. The office encounter. In a government office, Miss Citizen is sitting at a desk filling out paperwork.
I have been waiting for hours to get this business permit approved. The paperwork are so complicated. I wonder if there's an easier way.
Good morning. You look like you need some help. How can I assist you today?
Oh, I was just trying to get this business permit processed. I wonder, it feels like it's taken forever.
I understand. Don't worry. If you follow the correct process and submit the right documents, things will go smoothly.
रुको रुको, मैंने क्या सुना? लंबे तरीके से परेशानी हो रही है? एक आसान सा तरीका है, बस छोटा सा कंट्रीब्यूशन से काम हो जाएगा।
Contribution? इसका क्या मतलब है?
छोटी सी रिश्वत, ये बहुत आम चीज है। इससे लाइन में भी लगना नहीं पड़ेगा और काम फटाफट भी हो जाएगा।
Scene 2. The political pressure. Mr. Politician enters the office. He is carrying a briefcase and looks like he's just come from a meeting.
Mr. Brad, I see you're doing your usual work. Miss Citizen, I can help as well. I've got the right connections. A small donation to the party fund and your permit will be approved right away.
This is exactly what's wrong with our system. Corruption like this is what holds India back. If everyone chooses like this, we'll never change India, and India deserves better.
Miss Honest, you're too idealistic. This is how the world works. Nothing gets done without the right incentives. If you can't beat them, you join them, right?
No, that's where we are wrong. If everyone thinks like that, we can never change India, and India deserves better. I'll show everyone that things can be done in a right way, not shortcuts.
Scene 3. The moment of truth.
I've heard so many people talk about corruption, but I've never been sure of what to do. On one hand, it feels like everyone's doing it, but on the other hand, I want to be a part of a change.
You don't have to follow what's wrong just because common change begins with one person. Even when one of us choose honesty, we can get a big difference.
You know, I've always relied on these methods to get things done quickly. But lately, I've been questioning myself whether it's the right way. Perhaps I've been a part of the problem and it's time for change.
तुम्हें लगता है इंडिया से करप्शन हटेगा? सिस्टम में ही करप्शन है।
It's not about what's in green, it's about what we choose. Every choice counts. Even if one of us does the things in the right way, we can make a big difference.
You're right. I've been part of the problem for too long. From now, I'll start making changes. How I approach my work and how I get things done. Corruption doesn't help anybody.
Scene 4. The change begins. Mrs. Citizen stands up holding her application in hand and looks at both Mrs. Honest and Mr. Politician.
I will submit my application right away with no bribes and no shortcuts. I believe in a better India, a corruption-free India.
That's the spirit. One person at a time. With us, it starts with us, and together we can make a big difference.
I'll do the same. No more shortcuts. I'm going to lead by example. Time for the real change.
ठीक है, देखते हैं कब तक तुम्हारी सच्चाई चलती है।
Scene 5. The message. Change is never easy. The path of integrity can be difficult, but the rewards are far greater than any shortcut. Each choice to reject corruption and embrace honesty strengthens the foundation of a corruption-free society. It starts with one, but together we can create an India that stands tall, proud, and free from the corruption. Will you join the movement?
For a corruption-free India. Thank you.